Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most vital organs in our bodies, the heart. We learn how this incredible muscle works tirelessly to keep us alive and healthy. So let's get started. The outline of this presentation will be why the heart is a vital organ, anatomy of the heart, the cardiac cycle, and path of the blood throughout our body. The heart's main job is to pump blood throughout our entire body. This blood is like a delivery service carrying essential oxygen and nutrients to every single cell and picking up waste products along the way. Without this constant flow, our cells wouldn't survive. Let's take a look inside the heart. It's divided into four chambers, two at the top, which are called right and left atriums, and two at the bottom called the left and the right ventricles. We also have valves that act like one-way doors, ensuring blood flows in the correct direction. And of course, we have the major blood vessels, the highways for blood traveling to and from the heart. The heartbeat is a two-part process. First, the heart muscle relaxes, allowing the chambers to fill with blood. This is called diastole. Then the muscle contracts, squeezing the blood out into the body. This is systole. It's a continuous cycle of filling and pumping. Now let's trace the path of blood through the heart. It's a journey that takes blood from the body to the lungs to pick up the oxygen and then back to the body. So the first path would be deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium through the vena cava. Secondly, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Then, the right ventricle pumps blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries blood to the lungs, picking up the oxygen, and then the oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. Blood flows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, and then the left ventricle pumps blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. The aorta is the largest artery of the human body, and it carries oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed learning about the heart.